Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I just wanna teach you how to fix your issue about the YouTube Studio app in your cell phone. Lately, we are having a problem in uploading or changing your thumbnail in your YouTube Studio. And then I was able to find a way to fix that issue. I almost uninstalled that app because yesterday I have to access to my laptop where it's so inconvenient for me, especially when I'm so busy uploading some videos. I have no time to open my laptop. So this is how you fix that issue. Okay, here it goes. So first you go to your YouTube Studio, click the video you want to change the thumbnail, click that edit button, edit the thumbnail, press that one, choose the thumbnail that you want to use there, click select, then save. But this is the tricky part, it won't save, so you just have to go to that edit button, then type in anything, even a one word will do, then click the save button. Voila, done. Now that I fixed your issue in your YouTube Studio app, please don't forget to like my video and share to your friends and comment down below whatever your thoughts about this video, and please press that subscribe button and that notification bell as well so you will be updated to my next video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.